find that you can't sit still or you're always needing stimulation, you're not being chaotic. That is a dopamine recalibration issue. You're a sensory seeker, and what your brain is trying to do is self-regulate. In perimenopause, when your estrogen levels drop, the neurotransmitter dopamine, that's the neurotransmitter that's responsible for drive and reward, loses consistency. Your nervous system then compensates by actively seeking stimulation to stay alert and functional. This is why you tend to pace, you crave intensity, and you can't focus in stillness. But here is the catch. Unmanaged seeking burns energy, but intentional seeking builds it. Think of sensory input like a coffee break. In intentional doses, the inputs are great, but the flood of it leaves you feeling frantic. The key here is to channel your input with structure. Start by understanding your sensory type and then design for it. If you want to know your unique sensory type, DM me sensory and let's get started.